Ethereum might have the key to the entire altcoin market. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is just a beat or two ahead of Ethereum. As you can see, you have this big downtrend, a big downtrend. You finally break out of the downtrend. You finally break out of the downtrend, and then you start chopping a little bit. And in my opinion, this is the phase where Ethereum is at. And then the next thing is getting your true sign of strength, which for Bitcoin, that took you to the 618 Fibonacci retracement. And I'll just show you right here. We went right to the 618 Fibonacci retracement. And that would take you to about 3,300 for Ethereum. And if Ethereum goes to 3,300, this is a massive thing for Bitcoin dominance. And a lot of the altcoins are really going to feel this. But what's even more that's really good for Ethereum right now is if we show from the body high to the wick low right here, this most recent move that we printed. So from body high to wick low, Ethereum went to, it was 3.58%. Okay. And it's in a bit of an uptrend in the chop, just like Bitcoin was in this last little move. And if we show Bitcoin from the top to the bottom, this last little micro move, we're going to show something very interesting. So 3.58% for Ethereum, and body high to wick low for Bitcoin is 3.7% down. Now, this isn't a massive deal. Okay, this isn't the end all be all, but this is a clue for Bitcoin dominance, as we're seeing some of the first sort of a red day that we've had in a while, as we can see right here. And if Bitcoin is at the 618 Fibonacci retracement, I think it's a beat ahead of Ethereum. Ethereum catching up to the 618 Fibonacci retracement, even if Bitcoin continues to go higher, that is going to be a massive deal for Ethereum and for the altcoins. In my opinion, a sort of medium-term trade is taking this to the 618 Fibonacci retracement. A lot of the Bitcoin dominance running like it's been is because of Ethereum's lackluster performance, and I think it has the exact same setup as Bitcoin did pre-breakout to at least the dead cat bounce, which would be 3,000 to 3,300. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Follow me for more, you savages.